Like I said, you've said this recently, and when you did, they heard you weren't listening. It's not what you said, it's what landed. 3 phrases, 3 fixes, under 5 minutes. You'll use the upgrades today. Like I said, the deadline is Friday. Sounds harmless, but there's a hidden accusation inside it. Like I said, tells the other person they weren't listening, even if they were, even if you don't mean it that way. That's what lands, every single time. Just to confirm, the deadline is Friday. Same information, zero accusation. Just to confirm sounds calm, organized, like you're helping them, not reminding them they forgot. Same message, completely different feeling. I was literally so tired, I literally couldn't move. When you say literally twice in one sentence, neither one does anything. The word is supposed to mean this actually happened. But you've used it so much, it now means nothing. I was so exhausted, I couldn't move. Don't remove the emphasis. Upgrade the word next to it. Exhausted is more vivid than tired. The stronger word does what literally was trying to do. And it actually works. Actually, the meeting is at 3. When actually leads the sentence, it signals you're about to tell them they're wrong. Even if your tone is gentle, the word sets up a confrontation. The other person becomes defensive before you've made your point. The meeting is at 3, actually. Same word. Move to the end of the sentence. Now it sounds like new information, not a challenge. Same word. Completely different relationship effect. Shadow round. Don't just watch this. Say it out loud. Sentence 1. Just to confirm, the deadline is Friday. Sentence 2. I was so exhausted I couldn't move. Sentence 3. The meeting is at 3, actually. These are yours now. You already knew what to say. Now you know how to say it. Use one today. Just one. The goal isn't perfect English. It's English that sounds like you, but better.